Subatomic Particles, Chemistry Video by Garrett and Layton. Subatomic particles are the things that make up an atom. These are the tinier particles that make up the atom. So you have an atom that consists of protons, electrons, and neutrons. Protons, electrons, and neutrons are all subatomic particles. These are the atom in its entirety. This is what makes up an atom. You have your positively charged protons, your neutrally charged neutrons, your negatively charged electrons.
History. The proton was discovered by Rutherford in 1911 after he conducted his gold foil experiment. This experiment also provided evidence for the nucleus of the atom. The electron was discovered by another man named J.J. Thomson in 1897 after conducting his cathode ray tube experiment. Chadwick discovered the neutron in 1932 after he shot alpha particles at a number of different elements, and he observed the results. This experiment, he noticed that, well, something wasn't right every time he shot the alpha particles. So that led him to believe that there was a different particle inside, which he called the neutron.
Quarks! Protons and neutrons are made up of smaller fundamental particles called quarks. There are numerous types of quarks, but we're going to just be talking about two of them today, up quarks and down quarks. Protons are made up of 2 up quarks and 1 down quark. Neutrons are made up of 1 up quark and 2 down quarks. Electrons are made up of a completely different unit that we will not discuss. This is a diagram of a lithium atom. A lithium atom has an atomic number of 3, which means it has 3 protons and 3 electrons. All of these subatomic particles are found in different places within the atom. The neutron and protons are found together in the nucleus, and the electrons are found orbiting the nucleus in the electron cloud. Electrons have no mass and a negative charge. Protons have an atomic mass of 1 AMU, and they have a positive charge. Neutrons also have an atomic mass of 1 AMU, and they have a neutral charge.
In an atom, the protons and electrons, which have opposite charges, are attracted to each other. This is the reason why electrons orbit the nucleus. This can be explained by Coulomb's law, which explains the force that binds electrons to the nucleus. Subatomic particles also play a part in the creation of ions. The reason that they play a part in the creation of ions is because when, say, an electron is removed from an atom, that would mean that the atom now has a more positive charge because the number of protons outnumbers the number of electrons. Now, if you are to add an electron, for example, the atom would become negatively charged because it has a majority negative charge instead of positive. A normal atom, however, has an equal amount of positive and negative, or protons and electrons. Thus, it has a neutral charge.
Fiend!
Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.